I feel what they are doing now is a commendable effort. I mean, this should have started long time back. You won't believe some of our own films, like Parinda, we are restoring now. There are films that I have grown up, they are lost. You know, this is something that I not only stand by, I support, and I'm grateful to Shivendra for actually starting this preservation. Because see, our biggest problem with our culture, and cinema is part of our culture, that we have very little preservation culture. So actually, we are who we are because of our culture. Who we were 100 years back decides who we are today. But if we lose that, then we lose history, we lose sense of who we are. So for me, this is one of the finest moments in my life that I'm seeing that these people are actually planning to preserve and restore old films. So I am extremely grateful to this organization. Thank you.
I think for posterity is most important. There has been no effort made to keep the film industry alive for the next generations. There have been only one person I know that has worked in the Film Institute of India, Mr. Nair, who has been working tirelessly towards this. I think it's a very good move, and we are contributing to this movement, and I hope that it brings a lot of success. Thank you.
That I am a great one, that history has to be recorded and maintained. And particularly if you look at the old black and white films, you have to preserve them for posterity. We are all part of history. We cannot give up our history, and therefore it is very, very important that history has to be maintained. And I read in the papers today that films like Do Bigha Zameen, etc., are very difficult to preserve. And I'm happy to be here today, and happy that my friend Shivendra has taken over the responsibility and the banner and to look after and preserve the history of the film industry. I'm part of it. Although I make medicines, I'm still a part of the film industry of India.
I think it's very important because films somewhere are our heritage and they're our culture, and you know, the only way to understand things and the times that we don't live in is through the cinema and through the culture. And I think it's very important that we preserve our films. I think it's very much needed. I'm so happy that Shivendra Singh and Ira and the whole team, they're doing this. And the world over, they kind of, today, like for a festival, we are trying to look for print of Mother India and all the Bimal Roy films. And we can't find a restored proper print that you can screen today. I think it's so important that we have those films. And they're in condition that they can be played again and again, and so that our kids or the coming generation understands where it has all evolved from. And so much more important. And I'm so happy they're doing this. Absolutely, absolutely. And they've been doing that. I'm saying what Mr. Martin Scorsese's foundation has been doing, they've been restoring movies and they're being premiering again and they're being celebrated across the world. And he's doing so selflessly, picking up movies from everywhere. Last year they screened in Venice, they were screening a movie from Sri Lanka which was restored, which was otherwise would have been lost. There's so many of our own classics. I'm saying from our silent era films, probably 90% films are not there anymore. It's so important that we restore them and we understand ourselves through the cinema of the times.